In this video, I am going to show you how to install the ready-to-go websites in this WordPress bundle. Now guys, there are 3 folders in the bundle, so once you download it and unzip it, there will be 3 folders. Each of the folders for the website have their own name, like knowledge base, landing page, and multi-purpose website. Now inside of those folders, you should see 2 files. One is a zip file and one is a database.sql file. Okay, so whichever website you want to install, there will be a zip file and an SQL file. Now I want to make this clear that this is not a WordPress theme. This is a fully ready-to-go website that is in the bundle for you. So if you know how to install a WordPress backup website, then this is how you do it. If you have ever bought a turnkey website with us, it's the same process. Now we are going to go ahead and get started. The first thing is you need to log into your control panel or your hosting, where there are files in your database where you can access those. So a cPanel, something like that. So as you can see, I'm logged into our cPanel right here. And the first thing I want to do is go ahead and create a database. So I'm going to click on MySQL database right here. Now bear with me guys, because I'm recording my screen. Sometimes, my computer does run a little slow. So right here, I'm just going to call it demo website. I'm going to go ahead and create the database. Okay guys, so I've created the database, and now what I want you guys to do is copy this, open up your notes, or I'm going to open up my text edit here, notepad, something like that, and I'm just going to go ahead, let me open a new document, and then I'm going to go ahead and save these names, and you're going to see why we need that in a second. Now I'm going to go down and I'm going to create a user here. So I'm going to call this demo user or demo use. Generate a password, go ahead and save that. Create this user. And then just like I said, we're going to go ahead and save our password. And then we're going to go ahead and save our username. Just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and click back. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom right here. And I'm going to find the user that I just created. And then I'm going to find the user, the database that I just created. And then I'm going to go ahead and click add. And then I'm going to select all privileges, just like this. And then go down and click make changes. And then as you can see right here, it has saved all our changes. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon right here. That's going to take me to my home page of my cPanel. And now I'm going to go ahead and go into my file manager. So please do the same. Now that I am inside my file manager, I'm going to find public_HTML. Now you might want to install your website right here, but if you're like me who has a bunch of websites like this, I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder, and I'm going to call it demo site. Okay, now I'm going to go inside demo site. And then I'm going to upload this right here. So I'm going to go ahead, click select now. And then wherever it is, so mine's in my desktop. As you can see, here's my bundle. And I'm going to go ahead and select the knowledge base. So right here, I'm going to upload the support.zip file. So whichever one that you decide to install, go ahead and upload the .zip file. So I'm going to hit open. And like I said, it does take some time, so I'm going to sit here and wait and give it some time to upload. And while we're waiting for this, we are going to go back to one of these tabs here at the top, the one that says main. And then I'm going to go into my PHP My Admin, just like this. Give it a second. It will take some time to open this page right here. And then I'm going to go into my demo website. This is the database that we just created. So find the database you created. And then go ahead, click Import. And then click Choose File. And then from the same folder, so we're installing the knowledge base website. So from the same folder, we want to install the database.sql. We're going to go ahead, click Open, and then we're going to go ahead and click Go. And then we're going to wait a while, and this is going to install the database for us. And you can go back and check on your progress. As you can see, it does take some time. And again, depending on your Wi-Fi and your upload speed and your server, this might be quicker or slower than what you see on the screen right now. But again, it's not a problem. Go ahead, wait, and take your time to get it uploaded. And while it's uploading, we're also uploading our database. So when both things are done, our website is ready to go. Okay, so this is taking some time. So if you guys want to go ahead, fast forward into the video, go ahead and do so. But I'm going to go ahead and start talking about the database here. As you can see, it has installed completely, but we need to do one little thing, and this is on every single database that you install. Go to WP option, and then in here, as you can see on number 1 where it says site URL and home URL, we need to go ahead and change that. So I'm going to go ahead and change it here to tube demo site. I think that's what I had it called. And then I want to go ahead, copy this, and then do the same thing down here. Okay, so that's done on our database. Now our database is fully complete, and you can see our zip file is fully installed. Now guys, sometimes you'll see 100% and it'll still be a blue bar. Wait until it turns green, please. Okay, once you see this here, if you don't see your zip file here, go ahead, click go, and it'll refresh it. And what we need to do is click on it, right click, and click extract. Go ahead, click extract, and we're gonna go ahead and wait and let it extract the files. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. The files have been extracted. So I'm going to go ahead and click close right here and then click go to see the folder like this. And what I want to do is go inside that folder. Now select all of this stuff and then go ahead, click move, and then erase the support part and then click enter. You guys don't have to do this if you don't want to move your website files. So I want to move it to right here, and so that's why I did that. Now I want to go to WP config right here. You see this file, and then right click on it and click edit. Click edit again. Now you remember the stuff that I told you to save, so right here. So what we want to do is go ahead and update the information. So take the database name that you just created, and on line 23, go ahead and paste it just like I'm doing. And then, oops, where did it go? Here we go. And then copy the username and paste it exactly where you see. And then go ahead, copy the password and then paste it right here. Okay, and then go ahead, click Save Changes. Now everything is installed on your website, so all you need to do is just go to your link. Just like I'm doing here, guys. So I'm going to go on here, and then you'll see that the website has been installed, just like this. Now we have one more step that we need to do, which is go to your website and then /wp-admin. Okay, you'll get to the login screen like this. Password is username is admin, password is admin12, just like that. Log in. Oops, I think I put in the wrong password. Oops, I might have not put in the right password here, guys. If the password doesn't work for you, just like it's not working for me, go to WP user, and then in here, just go ahead, click edit. Oops, I know what the thing is, so it's Nikesh 31. Let's see, that should work. And that does work. As you can see, it takes me to the dashboard, and what I need to do is go to settings, go to permalinks right here, and then just scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. After that, your website is completely installed and it is ready to go.